you go. There you have it. We're in a new shop. Got a new place going on around here. Got a lot of stuff going on. We're busy, busy, busy. I hope I can keep this channel going, because there's gonna be a lot of work. I've been doing a lot of work too. Been working on this. Been chasing some parts. Picked up some F550 Super Duty fenders with the big flares on them. Pretty excited about that. Picked up the step tailgate here. Got some pieces and parts to put that in, so I'll have myself a complete tailgate. Hopefully that'll go on to another project that will hopefully be coming to the channel soon. So that'll be pretty exciting. And we're gonna bring a lot of cool stuff to here. Alright, so you see me blocking out this whole quarter panel. The reason I'm doing that is obviously it's a used panel. So there's potentially previous damage from the car that it came off of. Like right here. There's a small dent right here. And because this car's going black, we really need to pay attention to everything. Make sure that we get all the damage straightened up on it. Now there's previous damage. There's a little bit of damage from taking it off the other car that I got it off of. So yes, this panel was cheaper, but at the same time it's a little bit more work to get it off without damaging it severely, because actually, which I'm quite surprised by, is that the sheet metal on a Dodge Challenger extremely thin, very easy to bend. I'm going through checking it for any extra dents and stuff. Actually, it looks like there might be a little tiny one right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna fix that, and definitely gonna fix this one right here. So that's kind of what this one here, there was a slight dent here. So, and it feels like there's a little bit of a low right here, which I should probably address, because obviously you can see that this is sanded down, this is sanded down, and this isn't. So that tells me that there's a low there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take care of that and this one here, and should be ready for primer here shortly. Hey little kitty. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm blocking this quarter panel out with 150 grit. I primed it over the weekend and got it ready to block out. What I like to do with projects like this is I'll prime this and I'll block it out in 150, and then I'll just take a couple coats of primer after that, real thin, go over it and block it out in 240 and 400, and then I'll paint it. That way I know for sure that I got any and all imperfections in it. Turns out a little bit nicer. Takes a little bit more time, but comes out quite a bit nicer. Makes for a better quality product. So I'm gonna finish blocking this out, and then we'll get it taped up again. We'll prime it. I'll block it in 240, 400, and then we can paint it. Well, pretty much got it all sanded out. Just gonna hit it with some 400 real quick and go ahead and retape it and catch the bumper up and the spoiler. And this will be ready for paint. I'll probably spray this tomorrow. I'll put it together Saturday. Clean it up Sunday. Gonna go back Monday or Tuesday. sanded out. I just sanded out with the 2000 grit because I didn't want to make it too flat. I didn't want to flatten out the clear too much. That way it'll match the existing finish. So, but I've got it all taped, I got it all sanded out. I'm gonna tape up this window and the back window real quick, and then I'm gonna start polishing it. Rear bumper here. And then once I get done, I'll throw the taillights back in it. Put the spoiler back on, which is over here. This turned out quite nice. Got this set up to the side real quick. Nice flat finish on it. And once I get this car all done, I can finish cleaning up the shop and get everything organized. After 13 hours of polishing this car, she's ready to be delivered. It's time to get paid. Challenger job complete. Another happy customer. So, I got a lot of things planned for this channel. Pretty excited for it. So, if you like what you've seen here, please hit subscribe so you can see what else I got coming up. And leave a like and maybe leave a comment. Let me know what you think.